We're here today with David Rowe, Professor of Law at the University of Miami School of Law. Good afternoon, Professor Rowe.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Well, thank you. Professor Rowe, could you please comment on the recent passing of University of the West Indies Professor Emeritus Ralph Carnegie?
Professor Carnegie's death is a tragedy. It is a great loss to the legal and academic fraternity of the Commonwealth Caribbean. Ralph Carnegie was without question the leading legal scholar of our time, a brilliant man, a wonderful professor, a great teacher, and a continuous contributor to Caribbean scholarship over a period of 40 years.
Could you talk about the professor's impact on the Westminster model?
Well, Carnegie was an Oxford scholar who believed in the Westminster model. And if you have read his article on Judicial Review, he spoke or he wrote significantly about the texture of the Westminster model, the democratic freedoms that it protects, and the importance of its ongoing existence in not only the Caribbean Commonwealth, but the Commonwealth generally. He believed in English law, he believed in public English law, and he particularly believed in the constitutions of the Commonwealth Caribbean and their English heritage.
What do you think his legacy will be?
Well, he wrote considerably. He had so many articles, so many journals, of course, the English Law Quarterly, the Caribbean Law Quarterly, the West Indies Law Review, and on and on. He contributed to Chitty on contracts. He was often referred to by any major writer about the common law as we know it, the British common law, would have to refer to Carnegie's contribution to both the Caribbean and the Commonwealth aspect or development of the British public law. But I think Carnegie's greatest contribution will be in the method in which he documented the Caribbean constitutions, their source, the method in which reception of the law from England enriched the constitutional heritage of the Caribbean constitutions, and the importance of the traditional democratic precepts that are enshrined in the Caribbean constitutions. Because for me, Carnegie was a great scholar, an important Democrat, somebody who believed in human rights, and that English law enshrines human rights.
Professor Rowe, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.